Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. How are you today? I hope everything's fine. Today we are going to learn alphabet in my body.
Yay!
Ready? Let's go. A. Abdomen. It's our belly. Here lies our stomach, liver, intestines, and other organs. Arteries. It transports blood in our body. Arm helps us to move our hands and fingers. Ankle, joints that connects our legs and feet. Which air our blood flows? Right, it's the arteries. You got a star. B. Brain, command center of our body. Belly, stomach or tummy. Backbone, keeps us upright and connects the different parts of our skeleton. Which B thinks? Correct! It's the brain! You got a star! C. Chest. It is where we can hear and feel the pumping of the heart. Cheek. Both sides of the face below the eye. We can put blush on it. Chin. A protruding part of the face below the mouth. Which C can we put a blush on? Right! It's the cheek! You got a star! D. Dermis, an inner layer of our skin where the hair grows. Diaphragm, a muscle that helps us inhale and exhale. Dimples, a dent muscles in our cheeks, especially when a person smiles. Do you have a dimples? That's cute. Which D helps us inhale and exhale? Correct! It's the diaphragm! Another star! E. Ear, an organ of hearing and balance. Ear lap, to keep our ears warm. Eyes, organs that allow us to see. Eyebrow, a strip of hair growing above our eyes that protects our eye from sweat. Eyelash, a hairs on eyelids that protects eye from dust particles. Eyelids, closes our eyes to protect it. Epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. Which E protects us from the sun? Correct! It's the epidermis! You got a star! F. Fingers, to grip objects like food or tools. Foot, support balance and posture. Fist, it's when the fingers are bent inwards against the palm and held tightly. Forehead, part of our face above the eyebrows. Which F helps us walk? Right, It's the foot. You got a star. G. Gum holds our teeth. Gut, the gastrointestinal system or our digestive tract. Gallbladder stores and concentrates bile from the liver. Which G holds our teeth? Correct! It's the gum! You got a star! H. Hand. To grip, grasp, touch, or manipulate things. Heart. It pumps blood throughout our body. Head. The upper part of our body where brain, ears, and our face are. Hair protects our scalp. Hip, the upper thigh and the projection of the human pelvis. Which H pumps our blood in our body? Correct! It's the heart! You got a star, kid! I. Intestine. Help to further digest food from our stomach. Inner ear. For us to hear sounds and is responsible for our balance. Index finger. Our forefinger. Which eye helps us hear sounds? Correct! It's the inner ear. You got a star. J. Joints, where two or more bones meet to allow movement. Jowls is the lower part of our cheeks that is fleshy or drooping. Jugular veins collects blood from the brain to the heart. Jaw is the bones that form the framework of our mouth. Which J carries blood to our brain? Correct! It's jugular veins. You got a star. K. Kidney. Remove waste and extra fluid from our body. Knee. Helps us stand, move, and keep our balance. Knuckle. It's the joints in our fingers. Which K is a special filter of our body? Correct! It's the kidney! You got a star! L. Lap, a flat area between waist and knees of a seated person. Leg, we could walk and stand. Lip, it's the fleshy parts which is the opening of our mouth. Which L that opens when we speak? Right! It's the lip! You got a star! M. Muscle. Support movements and lifting objects. Mole. It's the small bumps that appear in our skin. Mouth. For eating and speaking. Mustache. It's the strip of hair left to grow above the upper lip. Which M that gives us strength? Correct! It's the muscle! He got a star! N. Nails. Protects our fingers and toes. Nose. Where air passes when we inhale and exhale. Nipples. Where the baby suck milk from a mother's breast. Neck. It connects our head with the torso and supports the weight of our head. Which N helps us smell? Right, it's the nose. You got a star, kid. O. Ovary. Produces egg when a girl reaches the right age. Esophagus. A muscular tube that connects mouth to the stomach. Optical nerve. It carries messages from the retina to the brain. Which O food passeth to the stomach? Correct! It's the esophagus. You got a star. P. Pelvis. Protects abdominal organs like intestines and stomach. Pancreas. Helps to break down sugars, fats, and starches in our body. Penis. It's boy's identity, where P leaves the body. Palm. Somewhat concave part of our hand between wrist and fingers. Which P helps us to grip objects? Correct! It's the palm! You got a star, kid! Q. A quadricep femoris muscle. It's a group of muscles at the front of your thigh. What is the purpose of this muscle? It is for us to perform various movements like kicking, running, jumping, and walking. Good! R. Rectum. Collect and hold our poop until it's time to release. Ribs. It's a curved bones in our chest that protects organs inside, like lungs. Retina. It received images and sends them to the optic nerve to the brain. Which are perceived things? Correct! It's the retina! You got a star, kid! S. Stomach. It breaks down our food from esophagus and passes it to the small intestine. Shoulders. Connects the upper arm to the shoulder blade. Spine. Keeps us upright. Skin. Protects our body from bacteria, chemical, and temperature. Skull. Support protects our brain, eyes, and other parts of our head. Which S protects our brain? Right, it's the skull. You got a star. T. Thumb. The short, thick first finger of our hand. Temple. It's the part of our head that support to hold our glasses. Toes. It supports our body weight. Tongue. It helps us savor food. Teeth. Helps us grind, crush, and chew food. Which tea savor different flavors? Correct! It's the tongue! You got a star, kid! Uterus. It is where the baby develops inside of a mother. Ureters. A tube that connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urethra. A tube that lets urine leave our body. Which U that urine leaves our body? Right! It's the urethra! You got a star! V. Vagina. It's the birth canal where the baby comes out from a mother's womb. Ventricles. It pumps blood in our heart. Which V pumps our blood? Correct! It's the ventricles! You got a star! W. Wisdom tooth. It's the farthest tooth back in our mouth. Womb, where the baby grows inside of a mother. Waist. It's the narrowing trunk of the body above the hips. Wrist. It's a joint between hand and arm. Which W babies grow? Yeah, it's the womb. You got a star. X. Xiphoid process. It's a process involves for our chest normal breathing. What is the purpose of xiphoid process? Its purpose for us to check our normal breathing. You got a star. Y chromosome. It's a sex chromosome that is associated with maleness and occurs only in male cells. Yolk sac provides food and oxygen to the growing embryo in mama's womb. Yoni. It is the identity of a girl. Which Y provides food to the baby? Correct! It's the yolk sac! You got a star, kid! Z. Zan means tooth. Zygote. It's the fertilized egg inside a mother's womb. Which Z crushed food when we eat? Right, it's the Zan. You got a star. You did great today, kid. Congratulations, you have so many stars. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.